welcome back. I'm Bri-Anne Alexis. Today I'm presenting my first struggle tutorial. I call it that because I'm not necessarily showing you how to do it. I'm just showing you what I did. I struggled a lot, but I think I know what not to do next time. So I think I'm either going to make a new video with like a new method, or I'm going to have a second attempt and attach it to the first attempt in this video. But these are the results. I mean, I think they're okay for dirty hair that I'm gonna wash tomorrow. It really gives a good revamp. So before we get into it, make sure you subscribe. I post every week. You can also find me here, TikTok, Instagram. You can leave a comment, I'll respond. I see them all. Other than that, let's do it. All right. I'm gonna attempt this. I not too long got in, threw my hair up, and I'm like, you know what? I really kind of want some sort of curls for tomorrow, but my hair is dirty already, and that's why I'm like, okay, I'm gonna experiment because I have no clue how to get this style to work. I've got my little slip scrunchie here. I love these scrunchies. If you don't have silk scrunchies, I would say get them. Love them, love them. Okay. So, I mean, I can't tell you how many tutorials I've watched on this style already, and I don't know. I tried it once and I wasn't sure about the results. They said, split the hair in the middle, bring it all to the front. Okay. Perfect. And then I don't know if I put in the title that this is a first attempt, but it is. Well, I mean, y'all are gonna struggle with me, I'm sorry. I've got this one, and I've got this one, both bathrobes. Obviously one's thicker, so I'm gonna try the thicker one and see if that helps or makes a difference. But yeah, my hair got rained on the other day. I think, not yesterday, the day before. It was just kind of like sprinkling outside, and I was like, listen, I already gave up on my hair for this week, so I let it get wet. But, so it's kind of like wavy, and then I've been sleeping with it in a bun, so that's why it's kind of got a little bit of, I don't know, body or so to it. Oh, I don't have any, okay. All right, so I think I'll just start from the top. And maybe a small piece. And bring it behind. I'm assuming you guys have seen this method before. Because it's not a tutorial, because I'm trying. I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. But basically, you start by clipping the bathrobe. You split your hair in two, put the bathrobe in the middle, and then you basically keep gathering pieces from the front of your hair, and we're just wrapping it around the robe. This is what I'm trying to do, but as you can see, my hair is tangled, and this is more challenging than they make it seem. Maybe they start by brushing it. That kind of would have been smart. I didn't do that. So here we are. I hope my face doesn't look like I'm struggling. But I am. So if it does look strained and pained, then I mean, it's accurate. It's an accurate representation. Okay, I'm trying to like also pull the hair that's at the back when I do it, like smooth it. And I'm trying to, oh my goodness. No, I think that piece was too big. Okay, hold on. Let me bring that around first. And then bring that back around. Whoa. Okay, a piece from the back. I'm gonna break it. I don't want to get too, I don't want it to get too thick too quickly. Because then, let's see if it's gonna work. I feel like I'm I'm going cross-eyed trying to do this. Whew. Okay, my camera cut out in the last video. My camera cut out, so this is where we are. Okay. Let me just wrap that part around like this. Actually, it should probably be a little tighter together, but it's okay. We've got a hair tie. I'm gonna tie it around the bottom to just keep it in place. And I'm gonna tie it pretty tight because I don't want it to like slip up. So 3 times. Okay, perfect. Success. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, no. Okay. I thought I missed a part, but it was for the other side. I'm gonna bring this forward and then start here. Nasty, we're gonna have to see how this comes out in the morning because this one looks really different from the other one. Really different. Okay. I feel like all the people that do the tutorials lied. They make it look so easy. It's not. Alright. Or maybe I just need one of those, like the ROBE 2B ones that people are selling. If you have a heat band or heatless band, curler, you have one of these products, talk to me. I am willing to partner with you. Oh, wait a minute. I think I saw them do this. No, there's no way I can sleep like that. Okay, hold on. We're gonna turn it up like this, and then I'm gonna clip that there. Yeah, because rolling it up the other way is ridiculous. There's no way. And then, ouch. Clip that one here. So hopefully it's kind of staying in place. Oops, that was my hair. What am I supposed to do with these parts? I have no clue. But this is where we are. So somehow this is how I'm gonna sleep. I'll be back in the morning with the update. Wish me luck. All right, so sleeping was very uncomfortable. As I said, I had it like, you know, twirled up and clipped. You had to take that down. So again, I think the little products that they have out now might be a better idea than an actual bathrobe, just because it's like so long for no reason. I mean, I guess for like the bathrobe, right? But for your hair, it's just not as convenient. Ooh, look. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is going to be a tutorial on heatless curls. Oh, that was the sound of my hair snapping. Okay, gotta be a little more gentle. Okay, let's hope that that looks okay, and then we'll take it all out. So as I said, this is dirty hair, and I was thinking maybe I should try this again when I wash it tomorrow. I feel like I'm gonna ask the people on TikTok and see if I should leave my hair straight or if I should do it again tomorrow on clean hair. I feel like you just have to be so gentle at this stage. I mean, maybe not. Maybe if you had combed your hair before, this would be an easier thing for you, but I didn't. Oh, okay. Oh, you know what I want? Some oil. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I went and I grabbed my Jasut oil. Guys, I want my nails done so bad. I'm growing them out, and I just feel like they're still in pandemic mode. I'm ready for my long nails again. And normally I did like a gel overlay, but that's how much I'm gonna use. Normally I did a gel overlay, but I've just been doing it myself since the pandemic, and I don't know. I miss the way they used to look. I think I put a little too much on that side, but I think, well, I'm using this oil right now because I'm trying to combat a little bit of the hairspray crunchiness. Because remember, it was coming out so weird, so it wasn't super even. I'm pulling out my hair a little bit, being a little rough. Okay, maybe a little more gentle. And then, I mean, I definitely like how the ends came out. Like, that is, I like it, I like it, I like it. I think it looks good, actually. Would have, yeah, it's still a little like choked up from the hairspray. Okay, well, I'm not gonna brush through it because, as I said, I'm washing it tomorrow, but this is what it looks like. Let me fix it and show you guys the back. Hopefully it looks good. But I definitely think this is a good fix for dirty hair if it's not, you know, like fully straight anymore, or it looks kind of, you know, weird. As I said, I got rained on, so I think this is a good save if I had somewhere to go. I mean, I'm going to run some errands now, but I mean, if I were going out, you know. Can't see that. Really nice. Really nice. Yeah, okay, I want one of those things. I want one of those things, I'm convinced. Because I think that would make the process so much easier. Right. Well, if I decide to do this again on clean hair, I will obviously put that in this video. If not, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Come closer, let me tell you something. Tell me what's next. Girl, it's you that I can't resist. Give me 1 second when I wake up.